Hi, this is Munish Kumar. I'm the founder of Exobot Dynamics Private Limited. Our startup is building bionic limbs for people with disabilities. It's great to be connected with tworks actually. I've been associated with tworks for past 1 year and they have world-class facilities, whether it is production, whether it is prototyping or just testing things out. And I believe that facilities like tworks can actually help us accelerate our journey from prototyping to the final production of our products that we are launching in the market. The programs like this, the HDFC and the tworks coming together gives a boost to the startups like us and helps us in validating our products and converting it from prototyping to final product, and final testing on the patients and doing sales and marketing, actually getting to the market very quickly. It makes life very easy for startups like us.